What's up everybody, and welcome back to The Golden Life. And in today's video I am sharing my non-toxic DIY carpet cleaning routine. Now typically I like to shampoo my carpets maybe once or twice if I'm feeling spontaneous, every 2 months or so, because I do have children and I try my best to kind of keep things non-toxic just because they do play on the floor a lot. And let's just be honest, kids are messy, so I also want to clean home. So that is just kind of why I do it, you know, once or twice a month, just to be on the safe side. I did pick up some of the I think it's like the Oxy-Clean. It's the first time I ever picked it up. Spray, like spray or whatever. It honestly, it didn't really work that well. I kind of was just waiting on something that I use often, and I didn't have it at the time of this video. So, and it's usually from the brand called Branch Basics, and I usually try to sprinkle that on, or maybe even some baking soda just to kind of freshen it up. But other than that, that is probably the only toxic thing that I got, and I won't be purchasing again. It didn't work for me. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I won't be talking, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.